Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are deep diving into a complex networking conflict within TruckersMP. We at Teknobalta analyzed a specific scenario where the connection works on mobile data but fails on home Wi-Fi. This is a classic symptom of DPI interference or packet manipulation by third-party tools. The error message "connection broken" usually indicates that the handshake between your client and the TMP server was interrupted. In this specific case, the root cause was identified as a tool called Zapret. Zapret is used to bypass deep packet inspection, but it often fragments packets in a way that TMP servers reject. Let us begin the root cause analysis phase to understand why this happens. When you use mobile data, your ISP routing is different and often bypasses the strict DPI filters of home fiber connections. Home internet providers use transparent proxies that can conflict with the way TMP synchronizes player data. If you are using tools like Zapret or GoodbyeDPI, they modify the TCP stack. This modification is intended to hide traffic from the ISP, but it also confuses the TMP anti-cheat and sync engine. We at Teknobalta recommend a systematic approach to resolve this without losing access to other services like Discord. Step 1 is the preparation and pre-check phase. First, ensure that no VPN software is running in the background. VPNs change your virtual location, but also increase latency, which can trigger a connection broken error. Next, we must disable any DPI bypass tools completely to test the baseline connection. If you are using Zapret, run the uninstall script or stop the service via the command prompt as administrator. Now, let us move to the main solution path. The conflict arises because Discord is blocked in some regions, requiring these tools, while TMP is sensitive to them. If Zapret is the culprit, removing it will fix TMP but break Discord. To fix this, we suggest switching to a more stable method like Cloudflare WARP. Cloudflare WARP uses the WireGuard protocol, which is much more compatible with TMP than standard DPI bypassers. Download the official WARP client and enable it before launching the TMP launcher. If WARP does not work, we will try the GoodbyeDPI alternative with specific parameters. The user mentioned GoodbyeDPI was not working, but this is usually due to incorrect arguments. Open your GoodbyeDPI folder and locate the script files. We at Teknobalta suggest using the all-good-check script to find the best mode for your ISP. Often, using the -1 or -9 flag in the command line fixes the compatibility issues. If you still face issues, we need to look at your DNS settings. Manually set your DNS to Google or Cloudflare. Use 8.8.8.8 for Google or 1.1.1.1 for Cloudflare. This ensures that the TMP server addresses are resolved correctly without ISP interference. Now, let us perform a network stack reset to clear any lingering configurations. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type Netsh Winsock reset and press Enter. This command repairs the software layer that handles network requests. Next, type Netsh and IP reset and press Enter. This resets your IP configuration to the factory default. Finally, type ipconfig/flush DNS. This clears the DNS cache, which might contain outdated entries for TMP servers. Restart your computer for these changes to take full effect. After restarting, try to connect to TMP without any bypass tools first. If it works, we know the baseline is stable. Now, let us address the Discord issue for users in restricted regions. Instead of system-wide DPI tools, try using Discord in a browser with DNS over HTTPS enabled. In Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, go to Settings and search for Security. Enable Use Secure DNS and select Cloudflare or Google. This often allows Discord to work without affecting the network traffic of TMP. If you must use the Discord app, consider using a split tunneling VPN. Split tunneling allows you to route only Discord through the VPN while TMP uses your direct connection. We at Teknobalta have seen this resolve 90% of connection broken cases. Another advanced optimization is checking your MTU size. MTU stands for Maximum Transmission Unit. If the MTU is too high, packets will be fragmented, leading to the connection broken error. We recommend setting your MTU to 1492 for better compatibility. You can change this via the Netsh interface IP command. Let us look at the TMP launcher settings as well. Ensure that the game path is correct and that you have the latest updates. Sometimes, a simple file verification in Steam can fix underlying data corruption. Right-click Euro Truck Simulator 2, go to Properties, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This ensures that the base game files are not interfering with the TMP mod. If you are using a wireless connection, we at Teknobalta strongly suggest switching to an Ethernet cable. Wi-Fi interference can cause microdrops in the connection that TMP interprets as a broken link. Even a 1-second drop can kick you from the server. Let us summarize the solution steps. 1. Identify and disable DPI bypass tools like Zapret. 2. Use Cloudflare WARP or specific GoodbyeDPI flags if you need to bypass regional blocks. 3. Reset your network stack using Netsh commands. 4. Optimize your DNS and MTU settings for stability. 5. Use split tunneling or browser-based Discord to avoid system-wide conflicts. We at Teknobalta are confident that following these steps will restore your connection to the TMP servers. Remember, networking issues are often a tug-of-war between security tools and game protocols. Always prioritize a clean connection when playing simulation games that require high synchronization. If the problem persists, check your router's firewall settings. Ensure that the ports required by TMP are not being blocked by your hardware firewall. Usually, TMP uses various UDP and TCP ports for its traffic. Adding the TMP launcher to your Windows Firewall whitelist is also a mandatory step. Go to Windows Security, Firewall, and Network Protection, and allow an app through the firewall. Select the TruckersMP launcher executable and ensure both private and public boxes are checked. This prevents the OS from blocking the initial handshake. We have covered everything from basic software conflicts to advanced network tuning. Technical mastery requires patience and methodical testing. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more world-class technical solutions and PC troubleshooting. Stay connected, and we will see you on the road in Euro Truck Simulator 2.